Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Olympiad question with fractions. So let's start. What is the question here? A tailor had some buttons. She used 2 by 3 of the buttons for some shirts and 1 by 4th of the remainder for some dresses. She bought another 1428 buttons and had twice the number of buttons she had at first. How many buttons had she at first? So read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find the how many buttons had she at first, and she used 2 by 3 of the buttons for some shirts and 1 by 4th of remainder for some dresses. Total number of buttons she had at first be x, because we don't know the number of buttons used for shirt 2x by 3, because they given 2 by 3. Remaining number of buttons x by 3. Number of buttons used for dresses equals to 1 by 4 of x by 3, x by 12, because 1 by 4 multiplied by x by 3 equals to x by 12. Remaining buttons x by 3 minus x by 12. 3 and 12 LCM are 12. 3 4 ja 12. 4x minus x divided by 12. 4x minus x equals to 3x by 12. 3 1 ja 3. 3 4 ja 12. X by 4. Now total number of buttons minus remaining buttons. X minus x by 4 equals to 3x by 4. 1428 buttons equals to 3x by 4 plus total number of buttons. That means we assumed x. 3x by 4 plus x equals to 7x by 4. 7x by 4 equals to 1428. 7x equals to 1428 multiplied by 4. X equals to 1428 multiplied by 4 divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 208 ja 1428. X equals to 208 multiplied by 4. X equals to 816 buttons. So 816 buttons she had at first. Thank you for watching. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this math problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you have any doubts about this problem, please ask me in the comment section.